Happy Friday morning, viewers. It's 3:45 a.m. in Central Texas at a chilly 39 degrees. The greenhouse is currently 56, which is good. Yesterday I did a couple of stop motion videos of the assembly of the little Commodore PET model, which this is version 2 that I printed in silver to give it more of that TRS-80 classic look. Older folks will know what I'm talking about. Two things that I upgraded on this one. The display's the same, microcontroller's the same, and we talked about the mounting thing, which is working out really nicely. There's also stuffed in here a real-time clock. I might as well open it up. Real-time clock, so that even if the power is off, there's a little battery there, so it keeps track of the time. I'm going to use that to display on the display. The other thing I wanted to add to this little model is these doodads, one of these doodads. Now these are for outputting sound because I wanted the thing to beep if the greenhouse got too cold or something like that. So the first one, the simplest, is a little piezo buzzer, and you could buy these buzzers on their own inexpensively, but you have to drive them with a transistor because the microcontrollers don't have enough amperage on their output to drive them properly. So I could wire it myself, blah blah blah, but honestly, go on Amazon, buy these at a pack of 5. They cost like $1, literally $1. You give them ground, you give them power, and then you send the signal through the I/O pin, and you could buzz away all you want. So for basic alarm, this is a good one. The next step up is probably this one. It is also a whopping $1.25, I think. You get a pack of 5 of them. I don't know how they make any money off of these because these connectors themselves are relatively expensive, but it's not my problem. Same idea, voltage in, ground, and then a signal. This is a single channel. This is the good old LM386 audio amplifier. Very classic chip. This is in a non-dip format, but here again you got all the resistors and capacitor and connectors already done for you. It's a pretty small form factor, and this one is different because it'll drive a speaker. This speaker gets connected to here, so this one buzz buzz buzz, but this one you could do more sophisticated sounds. Why am I more interested in that? Because these Espressif chips have much more sophisticated processing power than the typical Arduino ones, so it could make, allegedly, very interesting sounds. So I'm going to experiment with that. But in order to experiment with it, the chip is outputting digital levels which won't drive a speaker directly, so you need an audio amplifier. And this LM386 is an audio amplifier. If I didn't say that already, I'm just so used to everybody knowing what an LM386 is. Last chip, this little tiny one, again, this may be closer to $2. Another audio amplifier. It does not have the nice little connector add-ons like the other boards do. That's okay. It's pretty small, and it has 3-watt stereo output. So signal comes in left right, you give it 5 volts, and you have left right out for the speakers. This I might do for some sort of crazy synthesizer project, which is yet to be determined. So 3 different audio options, very inexpensive. All this stuff is gotten off of Amazon. The most expensive was like $2. And again, these come in packs of 5, so you could really throw it into a lot of different projects. So a stereo amp, a classic mono amp with some really nice built-in connectors for you. And if you just need to buzz, some nice handy buzzer with the driver already there. So one of these, one or more, probably the buzzer, is going to get stuffed into my little device here. Hey, look at that. It'll probably fit right there with a little bit of classic hot glue action. So more to come. Bye-bye.